Hi, my name is Stephen Williams. I'm the owner and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Now more than ever, your credit is very important. The rules have changed. You need to have good credit and you need to have a good credit score. So what I've done for you is I've put together a free video that'll show you how we fixed our current clients' credit and also how we've increased their credit scores. I'm going to show you screenshots of before and after proof. Also, as a free bonus, I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can do right now, today, to increase your credit score. So leave your email address below this video and I'll get you right to that next free video.